Hello and welcome to Section 11, Troubleshooting. In the previous section, deploying your application, we're going to take a look as well as, and in this video, the client code, client debugging. The command within is the console. Debug allows you to enter items into that when you look at it of your browser, Firefox in our case, when it reaches that point and the objects to the console, select element and go to the and then we'll go so that we can see our object and inside of the parameters and what they're current. This is the easiest way to have something running in your site. So you can just put to tell you that entered or we did many you can look at. You can element by right-clicking the page and seeing the markup. So here we see with a class of badge. This is where we're getting the CSS. So essentially, inspect element markup and CSS. You can even use address those different pieces. For example, we can say for label.badge, our badge is there. Now it's not going to do anything to our markup on this instance. We can change that one to a. That's a good way to find out if your application wouldn't work. Maybe you get effects. So, of course, in the terminal, to your terminal, whether that be inside on the terminal, you can go into the and there is shell. So we'll just go to another terminal. Say Meteor. That'll do is open interface where type something and then tab things you can type. So your shell shows us just by tab the different commands that we could change or what it is to be. For example, it's a function, meteor.server us all of the settings. So find information that might otherwise be basically useful utility that Meteor some go into the using from within the application. Meteor supplies another use debugging, which is the go anywhere within. Tell it that when it executes a portion of code into the debugger. Word debugger code, then console open will application at that point. So you now go back into our page. You'll see break into and allow us. Here we are exact spot where you've placed it. So here we see sectioning out and 0. This will through those different functions. You can tell it, for example, set one of these as a watch expression. You can put in the code as you look at it. It's a great debugger commands when you're having to go step through the execution of that code application. Tools that we have available debugging. Let's go to our number debugging.